That should be the last of it.
It looks much cleaner now.
It feels welcoming again.
This house has endured a long time.
Let's make it strong again.
I'll help as much as I can. This board has lighter than I expected.
It's good we noticed it early.
I can pass the nails when you're ready. Hold it right here.
It fits nicely.
I'm ready when you are. Just a light tap first.
It looks stable already.
I'll hand you the next one. It's holding firmly now.
That's reassuring.
We can move to the next section.
Take your time.
It moves more smoothly now.
That's a relief.
Cleaning helped a lot.
The wood is dry, but still good.
Regular care kept it alive.
I'll check the latch next.
The latch still holds, but it's stiff. A little adjustment should help.
Let's be gentle with it.
It just needed a slight adjustment.
That should help it last longer.
I'll test it once more. It opens and closes smoothly now. That's good work.
The house is breathing easier. The light comes through more clearly now.
It brightens the room inside.
Small things make a big difference.
Let's secure it properly. I'm ready.
Be careful.
Just a gentle tap.
It's settling well. It's settling well.
Here's another. It feels solid now.
That's reassuring.
It's safe to use again.
It hasn't been cleaned in a while. It already looks better.
That should be the last of it. It looks much cleaner now.
It feels welcoming again. A little green makes it feel alive again.
It feels more welcoming. I'll place this one here. It looks much better now.
It feels peaceful.
We've done a lot already. It's good to take a moment.
You've worked hard.
I'm glad we did this together. It already feels different.
It feels cared for again.
It looks safer now.
It feels lighter somehow. It's been cared for again.
We're almost done. It feels ready to welcome them again.
They'll feel at ease here.
I'm glad we did this.